Alright, so this is Linux. You can tell with this. That's Windows. Now, if I show you this, if it'll cooperate, okay. And then that goes over there onto this screen. This is Windows 10. And I can show you this. It's running in a VM. Let me get over here. I love my camera work, it's so pro. Apparently it's not going. Oh, Windows wants me to agree. It's kind of difficult to do this without looking. Oh god, it's taking forever. Okay, yeah. So, since I'm not looking at the screen, my actions are all gonna look delayed. Oh boy. Should probably be looking at the screen. I'm more worried about, you know, how the video turns out. So, it is running this graphics card, Nvidia GeForce GTX 960 Superclocked by EVGA. It's got 4 GB of video RAM. I'll look at the camera work, it's so good. And the CPU is virtual, it's not real. As you see there. Get my fingers out of the way. But it is definitely able to play games if I can figure out how to do this while looking at the phone screen, because I don't have a real camera. Oh yeah, I have to get off Garius Mon, hold on. Alright. And then I go back over here. This is really awkward. Please bear with me, I'm sorry. I would film this a lot better, but to be honest, I can't. And then now, get the Xbox controller. Turn that on. And I apologize for the lack of audio. Alright. So, we're in game. My hand's gonna be in the way, sorry, I have to do this. Alright, it might be easier with a controller. Who knows, the controller might not even work. Okay, it is working. Sort of. That is awfully strange. Trying to load in a game. Alright, it's loading. This might take a while. Gonna pause it, or maybe not. Oh, yeah. Alright, so now it loaded in game. Now, you might not believe that this is the same thing. I mean, considering there are two computers right here, that's kind of hard to explain. This one, it's a router and the server that's hosting this. This one is the one that's, you know, doing all that, Linux, and that's it. But that runs the audio right here. Yeah. And that goes into there. That goes to my ATH8 or MT50s or ATH M50s. I can't even speak. Yeah. It's kind of complicated. I'd rather not explain it in this video. I'm sorry. So bring the mouse over. Where's the mouse? Can't find the mouse. Where is it? Okay, there it is. And I'm gonna bring this over. It's right there. And I bring it over, and it does absolutely nothing. Or wait, is it locked? No, it's not. Okay, so I just pressed Alt-Tab on the keyboard. Now keep in mind whenever I press Alt-Tab, oh, this is really awkward, I have to scoot back. Very professionally filmed. Yeah, I understand. Oh god. So that's Alt Caps Lock. No wonder it's doing nothing. And you can see it's obviously doing stuff on the Windows 10 machine, and not this machine. It's not really doing much. Not doing anything here until I move this over. Yep, and I have fat fingers. Yeah. Alright, so let's open up Fallout. Oh god. This is where I wish I had a second person to actually film this. Okay, I think that's enough proof for you.